Have a great day.
I love walking to school, unless I'm biking, and I like that too, because it helps you get your body ready for the day. It feels awesome.
We're very proud of our Getting to Green initiatives here at Terrasset, as well as our Creating Healthy Tigers, we call them. It's very exciting for us to participate in the Walk and Bike to School. We do one in the fall and one in the spring, and then encourage kids on Wednesdays to walk and bike to school. And you can see from our crowds today that it becomes a family event. It's a very special day here, and we get kids very excited about doing this, and then it becomes kind of part of their habit. Our theme here this year is passion, purpose, and play, and the play part speaks to the need for kids to be active and to start their day on a walk or a bike. I can guarantee that teachers will notice and recognize that kids might be a little more awake and alive this morning and ready to learn. And kids say the same thing. They kind of brighten up a bit when they walk or bike to school.
Have a great day.